Good day, good people. Today I'm going to show you Chrome's DevTools aliases for document.querySelector and document.querySelectorAll, and how to use those to scrape some information off a web page and print a table into the console. So first, I'm going to go find some images of some watches. Tag Heuer is a good brand. So it looks like there's a few images on this page. So we'll open up the DevTools by pressing F12. Clear out this information, and first we'll take a look at these standard DOM methods, document.querySelector and document.querySelectorAll. Alright, so those are native DOM methods. So in the Chrome console we have $$ and double $. Now looks like the Tag Heuer site actually has jQuery, so that single $ is an alias for window.jQuery. So we'll just take a look at the alias for document.querySelectorAll. So we'll clear out the console. We will create a variable and call it images equals double $, and just the name of the tag. Alright, so that's going to give us an array of images. 102 images. So if we unwind this guy, take a look at the first image, we can examine some metadata that we can extract from this array of images. So we'll try and get the source attribute, and most of them should have a title. So let's see. Yeah, it looks like it has a title. So we're going to create a little model to print into a table into the Chrome console. So we have our images array. So the next thing we're going to do is say var model array equals new array. And we'll say for var I equals 0, I less than images.length, I plus plus. And the Chrome console is going to go ahead and let us just continue writing JavaScript statements line by line until the text that we finish. So here we're going to say var model equals an object, and in that object we're going to say the source is equal to images of I dot source, and we're going to say that the title is going to be images of I dot title. Close that object. We're going to say model array dot push, just add the object to the array, model. And we're going to close our for loop. Now that's going to go ahead and do that 102 times, and now we have our model array populated with our models for our images. So you can unwind it this way. You can do something like JSON.stringify, let's see, model array null 2. This is also very helpful just to kind of visualize the data that you just scraped off the page. But the Chrome console actually has another neat way to do this, which is console.table. So our array should still be there. So we'll say console.table model array, and it prints this nice, neat table to let us kind of look at the information that we scraped off the page. And it looks like a lot of those images actually didn't have titles, but this is just a nice, simple way to take a look at a web page and sort of extract some information while learning some neat tricks in the Chrome console. Thank you for watching.